Alrighty, here's the deuce. We got to replace the boot on it. Let's see if I can actually get footage of how fucked this boot is. Not really. I mean, you'll see it when we take it off. I'll show you guys.
It'll be disgusting.
Oh yeah, it'll be messed up. So, alright, we're gonna start working on this. Okay, so if you don't know, if you're curious, we take this off first. You do these bolts. Whoop! Then next is the drum, and then I remember dealing with the fucking spring for the shoes.
Oh, we have the part to do that.
Yeah, that sucks. But that, there's a couple more things you gotta take off. It's really not too hard, it's just kind of time consuming. So, alright, I'll catch up with you later. Alright, christening. Or it's not really christening, but there you go. That's what it looks like.
Oh, I hate that.
Yeah, we gotta take this,
fucking locking ring off.
Yeah, see these?
Tabs.
We gotta bend these back so we can spin the nut. Oi. So, we got those two off. They're over here.
They're a real bitch.
So, yeah, it took a heat gun and some double channel lock action. And, but we got it off. So those come off, and then right there
is one bearing.
Right,
the outer bearing.
Here, right here is the outer bearing. Now we gotta get that out. Alright, there you go. That is the outer bearing.
And it needs...
Oh, well, yeah, you're gonna have to repack it.
It needs some oil.
Oh my god, it does.
Or it needs some clay. There's too much clay in this.
There's the inside.
It's got a shit ton. I see. I told you it's sealed.
Oh yeah.
At least that is. The boot is a different story. But yeah, that's pretty much free to come out.
God, imagine if. Yeah. So I was wrong about taking these bolts off. That's fine because I couldn't remember.
Brake pad on there.
Oh shit! Yeah. Look how much of the shoe is left. It's dirty. We should probably.
Oh, we'll clean it out.
Yeah, blow it out. But here's the inner bearing. And then, okay, so after this we have to take the inner bearing, we gotta take the spring off,
all these fucking bolts off.
And all these inner bolts off.
Suck.
Those do suck. And then once we get this off, then the boot's next. There you go. Inner bearing, outer bearing. And you can see, hopefully, the size difference. Okay, we got that spring off. And if you see these two lobes right here, there's a bolt on the back that you can use, and that essentially it tightens the shoes up, puts tension on the spring and everything, and it comes off a lot easier. And now,
so you gotta set it after you put the drum back on.
Right, exactly. Because if you don't, then you won't have brakes. Alright, there you go. That part's off. There's a kind of like its own plate that goes on those screws. You take this off and then you can take it off. Cool. And there you go. Now it's a couple of the toughest parts, which is the tie rod, and well, the tie rod's probably the hardest part because that never wants to come out. So there you go. Okay, well, we got to fire the compressor up, so we're gonna check, see how loud it is. Now I'm gonna stick it on max, so it only reads the max. Alright, air gun time. Okay, this just finally gave. We beat the shit out of it, put some heat on it, beat the shit out of it, beat the shit out of it, put some more heat on it, beat the shit out of it, put heat on it when we were beating the shit out of it, still wasn't coming. These are the tools we used, and yeah.
It's just getting one of these. If you're ever trying to take one of these things off, it helps a lot because you put this on, you tighten it down and get that pressure, and then you take one of these hammers and you beat on the side of it, or break it loose and it'll just pop out.
There you go, and that's how we got it. It still has to come out more, and heat.
But once it pops,
a little bit.
It's super easy to pull out.
Yep. There you go. I think I'll still film when you pull it. And I'll just cut it.
Oh, why would you not want to cut this amazing footage? Oh yeah, just beware. Don't ever like have the castle nut if you're banging on it like from the top. Well, I always use a piece of wood, but never have it like this where the castle nut's higher than the threads. And you always want it even or ever so slight, like exposing the nut or the bolt that it goes onto. That way you don't damage the castle nut or the threads on the nut.
There we go. So,
4 o'clock right now.
yep, I figured. Alright, so the next step, I'm just showing them. Take these off, this plate, and those, same procedure. And then you can get the knuckle off, and then the boot.
So, how this is designed, these 4 bolts hold this plate. Underneath this plate is a it's like a sleeve. So it slides the sleeve out, same with the bottom, and then you have to like work it off. I guess one thing we haven't done yet, which I'm not going to do right now, is this also holds this on here. So it's the seal is actually behind it. So what it is, you can take this and break it loose, it'll come out.
See that? That's the seal.
Yeah, but I just haven't taken it off yet because I'm calling it a day for right now. I don't want to have this all open.
Yep.
So that's how I'll show you more how to do this.
Later. Boom. Alright, another day, same dollar. Now we're gonna...
Same dollar, we're not getting paid.
Yeah, same dollar. That's why it's not another dollar.
There is no dollar, though.
Well, yeah, we have the same amount of money as we did yesterday, actually. Well, whatever. Doesn't matter. Now we're gonna do this. So if you're curious why we quit yesterday, it's because I had to go to work. But I don't have work today, so there you go. Got it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be really stuck. Oh, ooh. That does not look good. Your boot's getting covered. That does not look very good.
I should probably go get the pan.
That really doesn't look very good.
Great. Milky.
That's good. That's really good. Oh my god, it looks nasty. It looks like fucking diarrhea.
I would say that is just wrong.
Yeah, I would agree. Well, these are the parts. They were pretty nasty. I mean, you can just see the color of that oil. Oh my god.
Somewhere with it.
Alright, just got this off. Oh my, looks absolutely terrible. Oh, the color of that oil, that grease is, look at that. Oh my god.
It was just, fucking zipper boots, man. These are garbage. If you ever change one of these out, get rid of them. It's fucking garbage.
Yeah, don't get zipper boots.
The other one's doing just fine. Hasn't even, looks fucking brand new still. Fucking and utterly disgusting. Look at that.
Let me zoom in on that. Get some zoom in on action. Oh my.
It's just a...
My god.
What a fucking mess. Scrape off as much grease as possible. Oh, the fucking sound this makes is just the best. There is a very fucked boot. That is just wrong. That is wrong. That is all wrong. And here's the other ring. I'll replace. There you go. That's it. That's gross. God. Cool. Now I get the process of cleaning
everything. Oh man,
That's
we need more brake
fun.
clean.
Yeah, we need more rags.
Yeah. Are you ready for this?
This is not what your boot's supposed to look like. Or anything in your steering knuckle.
That is so nasty. So, we just got back from having lunch. It's not raining as hard right now. You know, the shop was all locked up. Man, we walked in here. Holy shit.
It smells like that lovely grease.
That oil stinks. Ugh. Shop towels. Oh, shit. This heater that doesn't heat this place up.
Oh fuck no, but it's nice to have, okay? Fuck
yeah,
you.
It is. I agree. I'm not saying it's stupid. It just doesn't heat the shop up.
Not
Brake
even
clean.
close. Non-chlorinated.
Oh, but I like the chlorinated stuff. I want to die. Alright, recording. This is on. If you're curious, the inner part took 3 tubes of grease.
Oh, they're gonna take more. Plus me. Trust me, there's a lot more space I couldn't fill. Or I could fill, but I decided not to because it's getting late.
Yep.
So I'm gonna have to grease the shit out of this earth.
Yeah, it takes an extreme amount of grease for these. I mean, that's why they last for so long, but it's also annoying. Alright, got the bearing on, inner bearing. It's all greased up.
I have an idea.
That's all cleaned out. It looks red, but it's some paint that's on it. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
The other one didn't have that, as far as I can remember anyways.
It's this one.
Oh, you're gonna tighten it up. Okay, drum's on.
But now you can grease the shit out of the inside.
Yep, because we're just gonna stick the grease gun in there and
Just go. Oh, there's grease in there. Must have put a new tube in it.
I have a dog on my lap right now, so I can't really get over there, but it is totally full. It was 2 full sticks of grease.
Almost. And completely empty out one out, so.
And now the front bearing. Did you just burp? Silly dog. That punch whew, has been through a lot. That is one of the most useful tools we ever bought. Is that stupid punch. So,
there you go.
put the tabs over. She spins.
Well, next time we're definitely not going to be able to use those tabs again.
Oh god, no. Those are gonna be fucked.
So now,
so.
all that's left to do is take that seal, put it on the end cap, and fucking put the end cap in.
Yep.
But what we'll do,
There's the end cap. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
what you do is, we'll put the end cap on without the seal that I need to put on, and snug it so I can grease it.
No.
Like grease this entire area.
So,
basically,
with our perfect little nipple,
that's not even anywhere close straight, because it's a little bit that way.
oh well.
As long as it doesn't connect with the inside, it doesn't matter.
Right. So, he put it on there just so it's snug, and then he's gonna blast it with some grease.
Till I see it come out.
And then it'll be nice and lubed up.
Oh, it'll way be lubed.
And
Jesus Christ, that
we are now docked. We are gonna see how it looks. Put some grease in it.
Come on! Come on! Ah!
Nope. Go lay down. Go lay down. Hey, move. Go. Grease. That right there. Nope. Go lay down. Come on, boy. Come on.
Don't get grease all over you.
Yeah, go lay down. Oh my god. Did you... Oh, you got covered in weeds now. Okay, go lay down. Go lay down.
Should I put this back on and start greasing more?
Oh. Can never have too much lube.
Alrighty, we put a shit ton of grease in it. Now we're gonna take it back off and put this actual seal and tighten her all down. And I gotta fucking pack more grease into those fucking top and motor zerks.
Yeah.
Pack her in! my god, it's got a lot of grease in it.
That's good. It'll never die.
Well, hopefully it'll last me forever. Because I hate doing this.
Yeah, it's so time consuming.
Oh, I just hate when the boot rips. The other one, these two were, before I got this truck, were fucked, so.
Alright, let's get in. Zoom in on that lube action. Oh. That is lubed up.
Oh.
Look at that.
That's got lube.
How many tubes of grease did you use?
Let's see, I have 3 left. I had 6 before we started today, and I used about 3 or 4 yesterday, so total of like 7 tubes.
There you go. So if you're curious, and you can look at our trash can.
Littered with tubes. I'm gonna guess around 7.
Yeah, it's
Because I have 3 left,
there's
and
some
I
more
had
down there.
almost like a whole case, so it's probably like 7. 7 tubes.
It's a lot of grease. We have grease to grease the grease so that the grease can grease.
Yeah, it's quite a lot. And also creased a couple of these Eric's over here. So.
Yeah. I mean, one of the reasons why these last so long, unless the boot goes out. But if the boot doesn't go out, shit, these are almost lifetime.
Okay.